Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to be cleaning my office. Here is a quick overview of how the office is looking before I get started. I'm going to be dusting off the baseboards, wiping off the desk, vacuuming and mopping. I'm going to be hanging up the curtain for the window, and I'm also going to be changing out this dirty rug. So let's just jump straight into today's video. I'm starting off with clearing everything out of the office. A lot of this stuff will be going up to the attic. Eventually, I would like to do a deep clutter in this room, but for now, I'm just going to do some cleaning and a few updates.
Trust that I'll keep fighting it. I keep fighting it. Might not be an easy road. I know it's gonna be worth it though. No, it's gonna be worth it though. Now I got feel the adrenaline when I step out on my own. I try to see it like medicine. I feel it in my soul. I can't go on. Can nothing stop me? No, give up. No, I know I won't. It's already in motion.
Got your letter, guess this is better. You win sometimes, lose sometimes, no need to apologize. It was the distance we had between us. You broke us down in disguise, no need to apologize. Ooh, 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 ooh. But I can't help that I miss you now, and I need to reminisce this cause ooh, 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 ooh. We're still at our moments and they keep coming back to me. I can't help that I miss you now.
Now that this side of the office is nice and clean and mopped, I'm going to be adding my new rug, and I'm super excited to be collaborating with Purecozy in this part of today's video. I'm starting off with unboxing, and this is how it looked before I take the plastic off. As you can see, it's packaged very well. It comes with an important rug guide that basically explains how to use the rug. Just lay it flat for 24 hours and the creases will smooth away as the rug regains its full thickness. And it also mentioned that it's quite normal to detect a faint material odor when you first open the package, but I didn't smell anything at all, so I'm really happy about that. And also the creases did go right away, so I'm happy about that as well. And I'm also loving how the material feels so soft. The color is exactly how it looked online. And the rug that I chose is called Silver Vintage Persian Floral Light Brown Distressed Washable Rug. It's in the size 4x6 because my office is not that big. This rug is stain resistant, easy to clean. As I already mentioned, it is machine washable, pet friendly, and non-slip. So not only is this rug very beautiful, it comes with a lot of great qualities. I highly recommend. So if you're interested, I will leave the link in the description. And again, I would like to thank Purecozy for collaborating with me in this part of today's video.
Never met someone like you, felt something like your touch. I wish we would have met tonight. Sure, I've had lovers in my past, won't lie, I've had a blast, but none of them had your humor. They can't compare, no one could ever do, nobody's close to you, yeah. One night's not fair, what can I say to make you never leave this room? I need you to stay a little longer, I've got forever, yeah. I need you to stick around for later, I've got forever, yeah. You feel so right now. It's taking a lifetime. I need you to stay.
We are reaching the end of today's video. I will share an overview of how everything is looking. If you enjoyed this video, definitely like and subscribe and join the family here on my channel. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.